Yeah, if you're planning to if you're planning an outdoor living project, we've got a great design process in place. We like to start off with a design discovery call with you. We spend about 30 minutes just reviewing the project, reviewing the scope, whether it's a pool, whether it's an outdoor living project. Those are kind of the anchors that we start with. And then we make sure that we're the best fit for the project. If we are, we move you into our next phase, which is our in-home design phase. And that's where we actually come to your house. We bring a designer with us. So there'll be a guide who guides more of the scope questions, design questions, access, constraints within your project. And then we have a designer that's grabbing measurements, getting pictures of the existing house, and reviewing design aspects and functionality. And then what we like to do is go create a 3D rendering for you. We usually do that within 5 to 7 business days of meeting with you. And then we'll do another Zoom call to review that with you. Over Zoom, we try to get the design looking exactly the way you want it. Once we get there, design-wise, and we've talked about the materials that you want to use, then we'll do a takeoff and present budgetary numbers. Yeah, so we work with a couple different clients. We have some clients that really don't know what they want, and that's what we created the design process for. We kind of help them step by step of the way through the process. We're there to help you with design. We're there to help you with material selections. We also scan your property using our RTK scanner so that we have accurate data, so that when we are designing, we know specifically what it's going to look like when it's finished. And then we have other clients that maybe have done some design work already. They've kind of sketched out what they had in mind. They may have had another designer provide them with a design. We'll work with them to make sure that confirm that design's what they want. We'll bring it into our system and start creating some actuals, 3D design concepts in our system. We'll scan their property, make sure it's functional, elevations are accurate, make sure it can be built, and then we'll work with them from there to finalize the project.